Today I'm going to make cinnamon frothy coffee. So this is similar to a cinnamon dolce latte that you would get at Starbucks. And I used to actually have this cinnamon dolce syrup from Starbucks. They sell it. They sell it on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. Today I don't happen to have that one. I was trying something new. And I do like Torani pretty well for syrup. So I have been using this the last couple weeks and I like it. Anyways, normally a latte does have an espresso, but I don't have an espresso machine, so I am just making it with hot coffee. So I use a frother. I love this frother. I have a whole video on it if you want to know anything more about it. This is a Capresso frother that heats my half and half as well as it froths it. So, and you can use any milk product. I have 4 ounces of half and half. Also, before I forget, you can also use Fairlife. You can use almond milk. You can use a lot of different things. I have actually substituted Fairlife quite a bit for half and half. I used to always use half and half, and I couldn't find anything that gave me a similar texture and taste. But Fairlife actually gives it a pretty good run for its money. It gets really frothy, but it also is higher in protein, lower in calories, lower in fat. And so I've actually substituted that quite a bit. Today, we're going to use half and half. Then we're going to put half a pump of the cinnamon in it. And then we're going to press the button. This takes about 2 minutes to heat up and froth. And so once that's done, I'm going to show you part 2. So the frother's done. It's heated. It's frothed. In this cup, I already have 10 ounces of hot coffee. So in the coffee world, 1 cup is actually 5 ounces instead of 8 ounces. So I have 10 ounces of hot coffee in here. And then I will proceed, usually with the cinnamon, I do 3 pumps. It's not as strong as the salted caramel, if you've watched me make that one. And so I put 3 cups in, and then I put in my froth. So then on top, I'm going to put on cinnamon sugar. Now, you can make your own cinnamon sugar. You can buy it. This one, I think I made it that I just converted it from this container, hence the Sharpie on it. And then I just sprinkle it right on top. So, and usually I do this over the sink so it doesn't make a huge mess. You just put a little cinnamon sugar on top. And this is how you would make cinnamon coffee. I have other videos on other coffee recipes as well as the best coffee grinder. I will put a link in the description for all of these products as well as this hot mug, which I absolutely love because it keeps my coffee hot. And I recently found out it's dishwasher safe.